Dear students, today I am going to discuss about the unit 3, that is matrices. The word matrices is derived from the word matrix. The word matrix. Matrices is the plural form of a matrix. Matrix is singular. Matrices is the plural. Sir, what is matrix? See here, I have some numbers here. 0.5, root 2, 8, 0, 4, 1 by 2, 3, minus 1, 7, etc. See here, all these numbers are not arranged in a specific order. They scattered randomly, means they are not arranged, means they are not in order. When I bring all these numbers into a specific order, see here, all these numbers brought here and arranged inside the bracket, closed bracket, in a horizontal lines and vertical lines. Such arrangement of numbers is called as a matrix. Matrix is nothing but it is the arrangement of numbers in a rectangular form in a horizontal lines and vertical columns, and these numbers are enclosed by the brackets. Such arrangement is called as a matrix. Now let me to define what is matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array. Array means arrangement of numbers or functions. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called as elements or entries. See here, these numbers inside the bracket are called as elements. Root 8, root 2, 8, 1 by 2, 3, 0.5, 0, minus 1, 7, 4. All these are elements or entries of the matrix. Okay, these are called as elements. So the elements or entries may be real numbers or complex numbers or trigonometric functions. Okay, the elements of that matrix are maybe real numbers. See here, all these are real numbers. Root 2, 8, 1 by 2, 3, 0.5, 0, minus 1, 7, 4. All these are real numbers. Or also you take matrix, another matrix, that is there are complex numbers. I plus 3, x, x cube, 9, x plus 2, x square plus 3, etc. Here you have complex numbers as well as some algebraic functions as the elements of the matrix. And consider another example, that is see, cos theta, sin theta, tan theta, cot theta. Here the elements of the matrix C are trigonometric functions. Here also in matrix D, cos square theta, sin square theta, minus sin square theta, minus cos square theta. Here also the elements of this matrix are trigonometric functions. And one more thing, the matrices usually represented by capital letters. Capital letters. See here, matrices are represented by capital letters like A, B, C, D, etc. See here, we have 4 matrices here, 4 matrices. A, B, C, D. Matrices are always represented by the capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. And here the horizontal lines, see here, the horizontal lines are called as rows. The horizontal lines are called as rows. Horizontal lines. See here, horizontal lines. These are the horizontal lines. Okay, here also horizontal lines are called as a rows, and vertical lines are called as a columns, and rows are represented by m, columns are represented by n. Okay, number of rows and columns of matrices A, B, C and D are. See here, we have 4 matrices A, B, C and D. The number of rows and columns of here, matrix A has 3 rows and 3 columns. See here, how many rows? Horizontal lines 1, 2, 3. It has 3 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 columns. This is a first row. This is first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. Here, first row, second row. First column, second column, third column. 2 rows, 3 columns. Here, first row, second row. First column, second column. First row, second row. First column, second column. Here 2 rows, 2 columns. Here also 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay. Horizontal lines are called as a rows. Vertical lines are called as a columns. Rows are represented by m and columns are represented by n. Now, order of a matrix. Order of a matrix means a matrix having a m rows and a n columns is called a matrix of order m cross n. Order of a matrix is nothing but a given matrix has how many rows and how many columns. This represents the order of a matrix. See here, consider the example matrix A. Here, first row, second row, third row. There are 3 rows. First column, second column, third column. 3 columns. Rows m is equals to 3. Columns n is equals to 3. It is represented by, see here, its order is 3 cross 3. So usually the order of a matrix is represented by m cross n. We read as a m cross n or as well as a m by n. We also use phrases like m cross n as well as m by n. This is the symbol of the order of a matrix. Okay, m means the number of rows, n means the number of columns. This represents the order of a matrix. See here, how many rows here? 3 rows, 3 columns. See here, 3 rows, 3 columns. Hence, this order of a matrix A is 3 cross 3. Its order is 3 cross 3. And similarly, the matrix B 1, 2, 2 rows, 1, 2, 2 columns. The order is 2 cross 2. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. Its order is 2 cross 3, 2 by 3. We read as 2 cross 3 or as well as 2 by 3. And one more matrix is, that is D. It has only one element. Its order is 1 cross 1, 1 row, 1 column. It is also called as a singleton matrix. We will discuss about later types of matrices. Okay. And now, general form of a matrix. General form of a matrix. Let A is equals to, it is an element A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here 1 is same, 1 is constant here, 1, 1, 1. It represents first row. Here 1 means first column, 2 means second column, 3 means third column, Here 2 means 2 is constant here. 2 is constant. This is the second row. This is first column, second column, third column. Third row. So here, third row this is. 3 is constant here. Because 3 is constant because third row. And 1 is first column, second column, third column. Okay. This indicates the elements belongs to which row and which columns. And its order is a 3 cross 3. So that I will write the general form of a matrix is as A is equals to Aij m cross n of order m cross n. See here Aij means I means ith row of an element, and j means jth column of an element. In general, we write Aij. See here, for example, A11, I equals to 1, j is equals to 1. The element belongs to first row and first column is, that is 1. Here, see here, the element belongs to first row and first column is, that is 1. Okay, that is 1. And element belongs to second row, third column. I is equals to 2, j is equals to 3. That is second row, third column is, see here, second row, third column. Second row, third column, that is minus 1. And also I is equals to 3, j is equals to 1. That is row is 3, third row, first column. Third row, first column, that is 3. That is 3. And its order is 3 cross 3. So m cross n means 3 cross 3. And Aij means that particular element belongs to which row and which column. Here I is greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to m, because I is equals to 1 or less than 1 or less than m, but I is greater than equals to 1. Okay, for example, you take here minus 1, it belongs to which row? Second row and a third column, A2, 3. Here I is 2, which is less than 3, because 3 is m, so that is I is less than m. Here you take 6, this belongs to third row, 3. I is equals to 3. Here m is equals to 3. So that is I is equals to m, means either I is less than m or equals to m. And also it is greater than equals to 1. Similarly, j is greater than equals to 1, less than equals to n also. Okay. This is the general form of a matrix. This indicates the particular element belongs to which row and which column.